What's up, guys? It's Blake with Y2K. Welcome to the channel. It's a beautiful day here in Destin, Florida. About 80 degrees. No humidity, just fantastic. It feels like I'm in LA. I couldn't be happier with the weather. I decided today I would do something really fun, and I'm going to go get a tow rope from West Marine, and then I'm going to hook it up to the back of the S600 you see here, and then I'm going to have my wife pull me down the neighborhood streets, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So without further ado, let's get going. Guys, check out this key on the S600. It's like a mini pocket knife. It's amazing. Gonna fire her up. Now see, you still have to turn the key on this car. And V12 comes to life. And just in case you didn't know it was a V12, they put it right here on the shifter. This car is so freaking smooth. Like, I can barely hear the motor unless it's over like 3,000 RPMs. It's almost literally like driving an electric car. I can't believe how smooth it is, and the transmission is really even maybe smoother than the motor itself, which is kind of hard to believe. So always super excited to drive this thing as my daily driver. I have a big truck, and it just doesn't quite do it like this Mercedes can. Who would have thought a 97 S600 would be the ultimate daily driver? I love seeing that hood ornament float down the street. It really lets you know how smooth the ride is because it just kind of wafts along. It's fantastic. As you can see, everything's running accordingly. Temperatures are all good. The clock still works on this thing, which is just incredible. Gas mileage, maybe 12, maybe. It burns through it really fast. Beautiful CLS AMG pulling away, sounds good. Local car dealership, always got some cool stuff out there sometimes. Even got another one right here. I live in Car Dealership Alley, and I'm not mad about it. Check out this frickin' Jeep right here. I grew up in one of these as a kid. The square Jeeps are where it's at, and they're actually holding their value incredibly well and appreciating. If you go and bring a trailer, you will see a bunch of them for sale right now. And they're coming up left and right all the time. A lot of clean ones are based out of Oregon, so it's pretty cool to see old Jeeps like that coming up in the world. Oh, looks like this person just learned how to drive stick today. Took a little bit to pull away from the light there. One feature I wanted to show you guys on this car: soft close doors. The first car to ever have them. And yeah, the keyless entry, it definitely still works. Just look at the S600. Such a great car. I bought this from the original owner. It's only got 80,000 miles on it now, but the guy did a great job taking care of it. The only thing I did was I repainted the wheels, and they just look great. We're in West Marine. We're trying to find a tow rope. Now, I've only been in here a couple times. I used to have a boat, but I sold it because there are maintenance problems. Let's see if we can track this thing down. Looks like we found the right area. Tow ropes on tow ropes. This is the one I'm getting. It's a 12-footer. It's $24.99. So let's get home and get this bad boy hooked up and do some rollerblading. Alright guys, tow rope's officially ours. It's time to go rollerblading behind the Mercedes. As you can tell, the back seats have plenty of room for the tow rope. It is just such a beautiful day, guys. I'm actually gonna swing you guys by Crab Island on the way home because I just want you to see how freaking beautiful the water is today. Check out this freaking Bluetooth tape player I had to get for the Mercedes. It actually has really good sound quality, but it makes a weird like frequency noise. It's a low noise, but it's kind of annoying, so I'm going to try and figure out a better solution. It's a picture-perfect day at Crab Island. I definitely wish I had a boat today because it is smooth and it looks like freaking Jamaica out there. So guys, I'm here at Clements Taylor Park. It's my favorite local park here in Destin because I had to show you the incredible views on my way home. Look at this. Being able to live here is so amazing. There's just so much stuff to do outside. And this water, you can literally see right through the bottom. Crab Island is right beyond that dock, and it's just a great time to take your boat, have some friends, and enjoy life. There's a lot of dolphins and fish and stuff you can see out here as well. So I just wanted to show you guys this little piece of natural beauty before I headed home to do some rollerblading. You guys, I don't know if you can see this house right here, but it is a monster. If I could live anywhere in Destin, it would be right there because it's right on Crab Island. Up, and it looks like my wife is also arriving at the same exact time. I really do love that X5M. It's such a great freaking car. Oh, there's the Diablo and the M3. They really enjoy each other's company. The S600, you know, it has to stay outside, but I think it's okay with that. I think it knows that it's the daily driver and that's its job. Okay, real quick, I just wanted to show you. This car has not one phone, but it also has a second phone in this hidden compartment. Freaking amazing. And by the way, this phone still works. Look at that. It doesn't have service, but if it did, it would work. Okay guys, so this is what I've got rigged up here. This car actually has a tow hook attached, I guess, to the gas tank? Let me see if I can you see that? It's pretty cool. So I've got it rigged up here. I'm gonna hold on to this little rubber handle, and this is what it's gonna be looking like. So let's do it. Here's the rollerblades. I haven't used them in about 2 years. And I'm gonna put them on. As you can tell, they've got some cobwebs and some other stuff. Should probably check the inside to make sure there's nothing living inside of there. So I'm gonna strap these bad boys on and we're gonna go rollerblade. Looks like we're laced up. One down, one to go. Second one. Laced up and ready to go. Let's do this. Okay, rollerblades are on. Ready to go. Not gonna lie, it's a little bit sketchy. You know, I'm 32 years old. I don't even know if I should be rollerblading right now. But I'm gonna give it my best shot. Alright guys, here we go. Oh my god, got scared. We're moving. We're moving. Oh, this is working great. This is working. This is like having a horse, but it's a Mercedes. Alright, that speed's good. Slow it down. Oh, it needs the brakes. It needs the brakes. Not sketchy at all. That's good speed. Alright. Hopefully Layla can hear me. These guys are construction workers are gonna fake. I'm literally insane. I'm just saying, that's the good. Those guys approve. I think we're cooking pretty good right now. Oh, let's throw a little bit of sand. Alright. This is like Marty McFly almost. Am I using the brakes of the car? Alright, I think that's as much as I want to do. And that just proves what's capable. You think we can make it all the way home? Let's go really slow. Really slow. Because this road is kind of wobbly. Oh yeah. I kind of feel... Oh my gosh. Okay, this road's too rough. We're done. We're done. On the line. I'm literally in earthquake mode right now. This road is not suitable for rollerblading. Look how rough it is. Alright guys, well, that's it for today. Hope you enjoy watching the video. If you like what you saw here today, please browse and subscribe and turn on that notification bell. See you next time on Y2K. Sewer tap, sewer tap.